This video tutorial I will explain Spring Boot Starter Maven templates. With the exponential increase in number of libraries and their dependencies, the dependency management was becoming very complex task and it required good amount of technical expertise to do it correctly. And the introduction of Spring Boot Starter templates, we can get a lot of help in identifying the correct dependencies which we have to use in our project. Spring Boot comes with over 50 plus different starter modules, which provide ready-to-use integration libraries for many different frameworks, like database connection for relational database and NoSQL database, web services, social network integration, monitoring libraries, logging, template rendering, and so on. Spring Boot starters are templates which contains a collection of all relevant transitive dependencies which is needed to start a particular functionality. If we include a starter template, Spring Boot starter data JPA in our build dependency, then we will automatically get Spring ORM, Hibernate Entity Manager, and Spring Data JPA libraries. These libraries are required to start writing JPA or DAO code. Here you can see some of the popular templates and their transitive dependencies. Here you can see the starter and the corresponding dependencies. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.